You wake up with jaw pain. Your teeth feel worn. Sound familiar? You might be grinding your teeth at night without knowing it. Bruxism, teeth grinding, affects thousands in South Florida. It's caused by stress, anxiety, caffeine, and even certain medications. The good news? It's manageable. Custom night guards protect your teeth from damage. Stress management, meditation, and behavioral therapy all help. Treating underlying conditions like sleep apnea works too. Don't let grinding destroy your smile. Early treatment prevents expensive dental work down the road. Ready to protect your teeth? Schedule your consultation at Smiling Team in Sunrise, FL. Visit Smiling Team today.